Basically, at this point, we just have some finishing touches, getting stuff spruced up, getting a little more Hotboi on it, and then next week we're going to the track. So let's get into it. We got one more week of work, and then we're hitting the track with this thing. Bam. Moving forward, what was on the car was these steel front fenders. They're just factory front fenders. They're pretty beat up because there's no real lower support here anymore. They were just flapping around and cracking, and both sides have these same kind of cracks going on. I might get them fixed up and painted up, but guys, for this car, you can get fiberglass front fenders for like 150 bucks a set. So if that's in your budget, I'd say go that route. You might have to do some trimming and stuff to get them to fit, especially if you're doing something like we're doing, where you're gonna be lowering a little bit, where you're gonna be drifting it, so you've got a little bit different angle and different offset than a factory car. So if it's in your budget, I definitely would tell you guys to go fiberglass. We didn't add that in the budget to get any new body panels. We're gonna be trying to fix and make do with the stuff that we have, including this rear bumper, which has seen better freaking days. We're gonna be doing some repair work on that, getting that good to go. I'm gonna see if these are salvageable, and if so, I'm gonna get them fixed up, get them painted, and get them tossed on. What we're doing is welding up cracks, but we're basically gonna just tack weld and move around so that you don't create a whole bunch of heat in one spot and really warp the panel or blow right through. So I think I'm gonna just clean this up, but I'll probably just leave this little guy. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Ain't the prettiest, but we'll clean it up and it'll be good. Okay, I've painted this entire car without an issue, right? Yesterday, it's a little bit colder. So, I lay the paint on as thick as I've been laying it, and on the last panel, I get the drips.
No! God, please, no! No!
God damn it, come on, guys.
No! No!
The drips, dude. Oh, time to sand it off and start over. What's the time for? We kind of left you guys hanging. We were missing a piece, test pipe. So we got ISR Performance test pipe for 69 bucks. And then we're also missing exhaust hangers. These were just on eBay, $11. They're blue, super easy to find. And then catback exhaust, which we'll show you guys that in a second. We're excited about that, but let's get this test pipe on, huh?
Yeah. Let's see if we can get it. Oh.
Need a spotter there?
Oh.
Spotter. There we go. What do you think's nicer? The Manzo or the ISR? Like welds are right next to each other now.
Both pretty nice, actually.
Right?
I mean, they're both better than I can do for sure.
Not better than I can do. I'm a hell of a TIG welder. You watch any of the Tacoma episodes? I'm still learning. I kind of like, I don't know, I kind of like the finish they do on this. Just leave it kind of brushed. These guys like, it comes out polished or something, chrome, I don't even know. I don't get it.
I don't know. It's a totally different finish.
These don't match though.
They definitely don't match.
By the way, this was the cheapest test pipe I could possibly find. So, cheapest downpipe I could possibly find, cheapest test pipe. Oh gosh, JMO's grabbing something else. All right, what do you got there? Here's the next piece.
Mid pipe here.
Okay, so the mid pipe comes with the catback. The whole catback was $293, also ISR. So whole exhaust, it's as cheap as we could go. Rather than building it ourselves, which we obviously could, and it would cost me a lot less, I wanted to do what most of you are gonna do, and you're gonna go buy parts online and bolt them on, because that's the simplest. I don't know why, but I've been like nerding out over the exhaust. It's like one of the things I was most excited about. It's like the least work we've done. So this is a threaded thingy here, but it's so ass. I'm gonna set this camera down for a sec. Oh, what do you know? We got 2 GoPros. I can talk to them.
Hey, oh hey over there.
So it's threaded. We just tried putting some bolts in and it's beyond trashed. Oh yeah. Yeah, so figure out this is trashed. Just nut and bolt it like that. That'll work. I'm not mad at that. Alright, back to GoPro 2. Oh.
Dad.
Huh. Good thing we got 2 GoPros. That one just died. This is sick. We've never had 2 GoPros like filming in here.
Hey.
There we go.
Got it.
Yep. I mean, so far so good. Matching up this far down. That's always just the unknown. Like these guys are all supposed to kind of like copy the stock pipes and make everything the same turns and stuff, but you never know. I think this exhaust hanger isn't tweaked anyway weird. I think that's gonna work. There you go. There's almost FD spec. You just gotta dump it behind the rear axles. We're like less than a foot away.
Oh, there.
Oh,
Look at that. Blasties.
Guts. We're just gonna pop that.
Oh, let's get these back ones on. Oh yeah, I'm in. Get. Go. Okay, we'll worry about that one in a second.
Oh, the mating. I think we're good. I think we're safe to say this is gonna work. And just completely straight piped. Turbo. Ah, it's just a straight pipe. And that looks like it could be something, but it's hollow. Hollow, 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 hollow. No muffler, pipes. Hopefully it sounds good. All right, we're gonna have to wait to hear it though. When we pull it out of the shop for the first test day, that's when we're all gonna hear it for the first time.
Getting this last panel on. I got a little antsy. Put some fingerprints in it. Super sick. I don't know. Anyway, I was thinking about it, and I really didn't like how tight the body line was along the hood here. All that's gonna end up doing is chipping the paint away and kind of damaging either the hood or the fender. So I'm gonna try something really ridiculous, and it's probably not gonna work, but it'll be fun. Find a good place for you here. Yeah. Well, let's see if that worked. Okay. All right, that's a lot better. I'm a lot more happy with that. This will be a lot nicer. Looks a lot cleaner. When in doubt, beat it out. Yeah.
All right, so next up on the list, get this windshield going. We got the foundation is laid. So then again, you wanna get your collection out. Spread them all out so you know what you're working with. If you got any more die cuts, get those in there. Because you wanna be able to kind of pick and choose where stuff's gonna place. I kind of like to start in driver's corner and then kind of come up, and then sometimes I actually work that way and then that way up, but we'll see how she goes. All right, so the front is done for now.
Did you really say for now? Look at that thing.
Yeah. Well, there's some, I need a plethora of small stickers. We need to make more. We're gonna make more at Haugen Racing, and then I just should have bought more. There's some good opportunities for future. You always end up with some room for little stuff as you kind of go. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did get a little bit strategic. Wasn't too, should I not tell him? Okay, never mind. Aaron, don't give away the secret, never mind. Okay, so I made a last minute decision. I put the please smoke up there, because then when you're sitting in the non-existent passenger seat, you're told to smoke. It makes no sense. And then I decided to remind myself, because this car is gonna be pretty slow. We're gonna drive it fast, but it's gonna be pretty slow, so I wanted to make sure I remember your car's slow. But yeah, I feel like a little interior tune, pretty solid. You guys, check this out. Key on. Love it.
The last thing to pull together the entire theme of this car, which so far is this nice satin red and gloss pink. Let's check these out. Man, so we had these raised gram lights. We were using them for the GS300, which is currently in purgatory. I'm gonna go ahead and paint these guys this lovely gloss pink. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good for spray paint, I think. Eventually, we're gonna get these wheels powder coated. But for now, and for our test day, we're just gonna go ahead and spray them up so the car looks nice and good. We'll see how long it lasts, probably not too long. I'm sure after a tire change or two, they're gonna get scraped up, chipped, you name it. So let's get the rest of these painted, throw them on, and continue on. What do you guys think? Whoo! Looks pretty good. Get these wheels torqued up. She's ready to hit the track. Woohoo!
God dang. All the little details. I'm freaking stoked. Well, we gotta go see if this thing freaking works. So stay tuned. Next week we're gonna be hitting the track and we're gonna see what else needs to be done. We know we got roll cage left and a couple other things, but we're really closing in on getting everything done on this thing. So hit that subscribe button, check out our other videos, and we'll see you guys in a couple days. Peace.